Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you total two websites where we can create a very high quality Dofollow social bookmarking backlink. So the first website name is submlinks.com. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So for this website, the domain rating is 16 according to Acharya. So now first thing, we can create our profile on this site. So simply you can click on the register button. And there you guys can submit your all details like your company username, your email address. Then you guys will add your password. After that you can verify your captcha, and you can accept the terms and condition, and you can click on the register button. So you can see our profile is successfully created. So after that, simply you can click on the your profile button, and if needed, so you can update your profile details. You can click on the dashboard, and you can click on the my profile button, and you guys will update your details like your address and your website URL or anything. Okay, so how we can create our social bookmarking backlink on this site? So simply you can click on the submit button. You can see top of the menu section there is a submit button. You can click on this, and there you can add your website URL. So this is my page, and for this page I can want to create a social bookmarking backlink. So you can click on the continue button. There you can add your title, your page title. After that you can choose the category, business services. Okay, and there you can add your tag, and there you can add your company description, your page description for the which page you are creating a social bookmarking backlink. And there you can update your captcha, fill the captcha, and after that you can click on the submit button. So you can see data is successfully saved, and you can click on the I button. Then you are able to see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So this is instant approved and do follow backlink. Okay, so the next website name is bookmark sknot.com. so this is a website URL, and this is the dashboard. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co, and all the websites I can provide a URL. All the websites URL I can provide in the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So for this website, the domain rating is 46. So now we can start. So first thing, you can click on the register button, and then you guys will create your profile on this site. So you can see there you can add your all company details. So I guess there we have already created our account. So there you can add your company username, your email address. Then you guys will create your password. You can re-verify your password. Then after that you can verify your captcha, and you can click on the create user button. So then you are able to create your profile on this site. So I have already created. So simply let me click on the sign in button, but this should be going to in spam folder. So let me create again. So you can see our profile is successfully created. So this is your social bookmarking profile landing page URL, and if I can click on the submit button, there you can add your website URL for the which URL you're wanting to create a social bookmarking backlink. And after that you can click on the continue button. There you can add your bookmarking title. So this is the title, and after that there you can add your targeted tags. Then you can add your page description, and you can verify the captcha, and after that you can click on the save changes and the submit button. So you can see our social bookmarking backlink is successfully created. So this is a landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no follow. So today we have created a social bookmarking backlink. So where this site will giving providing a do follow backlink. So this is a process for the social bookmarking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.